We were doing the in radius, circumradius, right? Today we'll do few of the formulas of x radius. Then we have to go for the questions of the in radius, circumradius, and all the altitude and the orthocenter formulas, right? So one question for in radius. You have to prove this. The radius of the inscribed circle or in circle of a Pythagorean triangle is always an integer. You all know now what is this Pythagorean? What is this Pythagorean?
Right triangle that follows the Pythagoras theorem.
Not bad. Not bad. Pythagorean was a sect who believed the philosophy of Pythagoras is called Pythagoreans. Right? So it's a like way of life or way of thinking of mathematics through Pythagoras. Pythagoras was the person who said he like it's a right angle in the right angle triangle, b square plus c square is equal to a square. That is possible for each and every integers. And the followers believe that this is true for all cases and all. Hipparchus was the person who said, oh, there is some mistake. And what is the mistake? If you will assume a square plus b square is equal to c square, if a and b both are 1. So c must be either 2 square or 1 square, and that's not possible. So he said there must be some lacuna in this Pythagoreans, and Pythagoras thought. And then it started like some irrationality is there. So from that point, we have started the irrationality of the numbers. But in this case, we are saying the radius of the in circle of the Pythagorean triangle is always an integer that we have to prove. Take your time, everyone. Right, the three lengths are integers, right? May I? Okay. Mm, so how could we say little bit more work we have to do, Prasad?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
But almost you are there, right? Almost you are there. Just now, sir, like one or two steps, just you have to think. Bah, very good. Utkarsh, Aryan, Atani,
सर मैं R is equal to delta by S यूज कर रहा हूँ.
चलेगा बेटा. चलेगा. Anything you can use. First, we have to reach to the conclusion, right? Sanjana, Zeel, you remember formula na beta?
Yes, sir, I do.
Apply,
Yes,
apply.
yes.
Very, very, very good concept will come like just through this question. I'll give it to you. A very good concept and very effective concept, right? We can solve this by different methods, right? But one method you must know. That's the reason I have taken this question. So should I start? Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me please how what you are planning.
Sir, basically, I took the sides of the Pythagorean triangle
Hmm,
as I have taken it as 2r, r minus 1, and r plus 1.
very good.
And then I have drawn a circle inside that, and I've taken the radius as x.
Okay,
Then I have applied x into r. I've taken the individual areas and added them together
okay.
by connecting the triangles, and then that would give the area of the entire triangle.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how I found it. I would get r minus 1 upon r plus 1.
R minus 1 upon R plus 1. Not bad.
Uh,
We have to prove ki both will cancel each.
Sir, I use that insert the triangle would be like in the form of 2n square plus 1 and n square minus 1. So
Hmm,
by using the formula of the in radius, it is delta by S. So I got it as n square minus 1 by n square plus 1.
okay, okay. Then after that,
So after that, then we can just take out like whatever are n in that, like 1, 2, 3, where all n are integers.
Okay, but like further, you have to go for that. Yes, Chrisim.
So we used in radius equals a plus b minus c by 2.
R is equal to del upon what formula you are using?
So a plus b minus c by 2.
This is S minus B. I remember this formula. This is S minus B. Last lecture we have done this, right? And
Yes.
the radius to R is equal to S minus B, right? So what is S? A plus B plus C by 2 minus B. So A plus C minus B by 2, right? And this is obviously this is B, this is A, this is C, right? Now, what we have to say, like A, B, C, we have to say that A plus C minus B is always even irrespective of this A, B, C. Right. So, right. Could we prove this? Yes, please. Priscilla, what you are thinking in this?
So then we need to consider a square plus c square equals b square, and then we can take cases.
What emphasis we can take?
Even, odd, even, odd, odd.
See, all are even is not the case, right? All are even not the case.
Even, odd.
Two even, one odd is not possible.
So 2 odd, 1 even is only possible here. And
Means
that means 1 odd plus 1 even would be 1 odd, and 1 odd minus 1 odd will be even.
so always this will be even number, so this will be divisible. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. Right? But one thing you have to please note down, note down, note down, note down. Then I'll go further for this. Okay, Katani, it's okay.
Yes.
Tanay, Tanmay, okay. Let's see. Okay, done everyone? Done everyone? See, one thing you have to remember, if I'm saying, this is the right angle triangle, right? You have to remember this, right? If this is a right angle triangle, and let this is X, this is Y, and this is Z, we know that X square plus Y square is equal to Z square. And when we have to, like, this is the theorem that we have to remember, right? बहुत बार यूज होगा and magical यूज हो जाता है, right? That's the reason I'm giving you GCD of X, Y, and Z is 1, right? And suppose X is an even, and X greater than 0, Y greater than 0, and Z also greater than 0. ये तीनों greater than 0 given है. Then you have to use this formula always. X is equal to 2st, Y is equal to S square minus T square, and Z is S square plus T square, where S greater than T greater than 0, right? And GCD of S and T is equal to 1, and S not congruent to T mod. This is for you. Always remember these three values. First, second, and third. X is equal to 2st, y is equal to s square minus t square, z is always s square plus t square. Right? These triplets will always work and very effective triplets. If like in IOQM or RMO, if they will ask you have to take a right angle triangle, right, you can rely on this, right? This is the effective one. Right? So if we can say something from this, see, done everyone? Right? What we can say from this, we know that in the triangle, this area is half into base into height, and R is equal to del by S, and del is equal to half of xy, right? So if I'll put del to RS is equal to, right, xy by 2 or 2. So from this also you can put the values of this. So this is xy upon x plus y plus z. This is R only, right? Then, like, so we can put for any further without losing the generality of this. X is equal to 2k st, y is equal to k time s square minus t square, and z is equal to k time s square plus t square. Put the value, right? You'll get everything what we require. R is equal to x into y, 2k square st s square minus t square upon sum. T square cancel out, 2k st plus 2k s square, 2k square st s square minus t square upon 2k s, cancel out, s plus t. That will also cancel out. So you are getting t time s minus t. All are integers, always, with k times. And the effective, very simple, right? Only you have to write down the numbers. S and T are any number you can take, 1, 2, 3, and any number you can take, always you will get a triangle. Just I'll give you the example. Note it down. I'll give you the example. So every triplets you'll get from this. Every triplets of Pythagoras. Okay, done everyone. Put R is equal to S is equal to 2 and T is equal to 1. Right, you will get the Pythagorean triplets 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, everyone. ठीक है ना? So, मैं proceed आगे बढ़ूं? It's okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So last we were doing in circles, right? Now it is for X circle. What is this X circle of ABC?
The circle that is out of the triangle ABC or connects all the 3 points of ABC inside it.
And
All the ABC points lie on the circumference of the circle.
okay, not bad. Anyone else?
Intersection of the two external angle bisector and the angle bisector of A.
Not
Internal
bad.
angle bisector
Not
of A.
bad. Or
It will be tangent to BC and the extensions of AB and AC.
very good. No, not circumcircle. It's like the circle that touches all the three sides of externally, right? Through A, this will be internally, and something like this. If we'll extend the side AB, right, and extend the side AC, right, then the angle bisector of A means internal angle bisector of A is going something like this, and external angle bisector of this, and external angle bisector of B, that intersect at a point that is called IA, that is X center, opposite to A, that is IA, right? These two angles are same. These two angles are same. This and this is A by 2 internally, and this is pi minus C by 2 both, and this pi minus B by 2 both. This is denoted by obviously X radius. This is radius R1. Okay. The circle external to the triangle ABC. Okay. This is angle C. So this will be total angle pi minus C. The both will be same with pi minus C by 2L, right? So first thing, if we'll see the triangle, can you see this triangle? This one. What is the area of this triangle? Hmm? area. The radius is R1, that is perpendicular, right? What is the base of this triangle? The base will be C. Can I say this will be half of C into R1? Is this okay, everyone? So obtuse angle triangle, right? Similarly, if I'll go for this, chalo mere ko help karo to is pe, like help me out on this. What is the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle?
B
This
into
length is,
R1.
right, half of B into R1, right? And what about this one? What is this area? This length is A, and again, if I'll do perpendicular on this will be R1. So this area is half of A into R1. What if I'll do half of C into R1 plus half of B into R1 minus half of A into R? If the first, this area, right, can you see this? The sky blue one area, and second is the yellowish one, right? And third, I'm going with the purple one, the marking of this purple, right? If I'll subtract, so what I'm getting? What I'm getting?
Area of triangle ABC.
Del. So this is nothing but R1 common out, C plus B minus A by 2 is equal to del, or R1 is equals to, I can write A plus B plus C minus 2A by 2 is equal to del, or R1 into S minus A is equal to del, or R1 is equal to del upon S minus A. Is this okay? Okay, everyone.
Yes.
Note down, please. Similarly, R2 is equal to del upon S minus B. Similarly, R3 is equal to del upon S minus C. Okay. Okay, everyone. Right. So the formulas for this R1, R2, R3. R1 is the radius opposite to A. Similarly, the R2 is the radius del upon S minus B, and R3 is the radius del upon S minus C, that is opposite to B and opposite to C. Right, this is R1, R2 and R3 from this. Means what is R2? So opposite to B, right? We have to make the triangle, right? We have to extend these two sides, right? We have to make a circle this side, right? This will touch all the three sides externally and internally, right? So that is called, right? तो मैं इस में नहीं अब करके दूसरा एक फिगर बना रहा हूँ. But if I'm going for this, A, B, and C, right? And this was the circle we were talking about. Right? See, this is the point, this is the point where this will touching, means perpendicular I have to draw from this, perpendicular I have to draw from this. And there is a point from which I can say कि perpendicular I have to draw from this. Right? So, can I say this length is X and this length is Y? So, if this length is X, so 100% this length will be X. And if this length is Y, so 100% this length will be Y. By obviously from the external point, from the circle, right? We can say कि from B point we are able to draw two tangents to the circle. And कोई भी अगर if circle is given, right? So I can go for this. Two tangents and both the length will be same, right? So from B point we can say both are same, right? And from this I can say X plus Y is equal to A. Similarly, you can say this is length C, this is length B, right? So from A also I can say, right, this is length of tangent and this is length of tangent, right? Means C plus Y is equal to B plus X, right? Or X plus Y is equal to A and X minus Y is equals to C minus B. If I'll add both this, to X is equal to A plus C minus B, right? Or, right, 2x of this. So X is equal to A plus C minus B by 2, or this is S minus B. Can I say this? So this length is X is S minus B and Y is S minus C. Note down, please. Everyone understanding this? कहीं और explain करना है? If you want something, please let me know. Katani, is this okay, beta?
Yes.
Utkarsh,
Yes, sir.
Tanmay, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Chama,
Yes, sir.
Tanay,
Yes, sir.
कैमरा ऑन रखो बेटा, कैमरा ऑन रखो एवरीवन. Shama, switch on your camera. Done. So बड़े छोटे छोटे से points है, but we have to remember all the points, right? And we can apply all the thing. If you'll see this, if this is IA, done everyone? Okay, okay, take your time, take your time. What is the length of this AM? This length.
S.
Okay, very good. And this angle is A by 2,
A by 2.
right? This is 90. So tan of A by 2 is equals to R1 upon S. Can I say this? There are lots of methods, lots of. One more proof will come, then you can relate all this thing. Right? Tan of A by 2 is equal to R1 by S. Okay. And like from this, I can like, if I'll change everything into angle, then this will be R1 is equal to 4R sine A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. So R2, what is R2? Anyone help me? Help me out on this. What is this
4R cos A by 2 into sin B by 2 into cos C by 2.
cos A by 2 sine B
B by 2
into,
cos C by 2.
very good. And R3 is 4R
Cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2.
you can see the symmetricity. And what was R? R kya tha? What was R?
All sin.
What is the formula for sine A by 2 plus B by 2? What is the formula for sine A by 2 plus B by 2?
Sin A by 2 cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2.
Right, very good. And what is the formula for sine A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2? This plus this plus this minus of this. Can you remember this now? Is this possible to remember this now? You will be able to remember the formula also. That's the reason I was writing this. Cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2 minus sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. Right? What is the meaning of this? If I'll multiply this by 4R, right? Or this 4R. Nah? So 4R is equal to 4R of sine A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. This is nothing but R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R. And this is A plus B plus C is pi. So A plus B plus C by 2 is pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 is 1. So this formula will help you out to remember the formula of sine A by 2, B by 2, C by 2, or vice versa. Either you can remember that formula or this one, and we'll be able to use this in various forms. Please.
So from where did you got that formula of R1?
Which one?
So that R formula 4R sin A by 2.
R1, the last lecture we have done now, R is equal to this, and this you can say, if you are writing R1 is equal to S into tan A by 2, S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2.
Yes.
Now, so a plus b plus c by 2, a you can write as like 2r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin by 2. Directly from that you will get that. Please note down. Please note down and remember this. This is very important and बहुत बार use होगा. Is this okay? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So can you scroll down?
Just
So what is R2 and R3?
R2 is a x radius opposite to
Vertex B.
vertex B. R3 is x radius opposite to vertex C. And R1 is x radius opposite to vertex A. Means external angle bisector of for this external angle bisector of B and C and internal angle bisector of A will intersect at IA, that is denoted as R1. And R2 will be denoted as external of A and C and internal of B will intersect at the point. Okay, just you can see in this figure. Yeah, this is R1. The same thing there, this will be opposite to B will be R2 and same figure opposite to C will be R3. Okay. R1, R2 and R3. X radius and R is the in radius of the circle. So all the four. And this is the formula or the relation in linear formation. In linear formation, the relation is something like this. R1, R2 and R3. And 4R, right? This R, capital R is, what is capital R? X radius and in radius R1, R, small r हो गए. What is capital R?
Circumradius.
Circumradius.
Circumradius. Okay.
So इस फॉर्मूला के बीच में sin a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 भी आएगा ना?
हाँ. Sin a by 2, b by 2, c by 2, a plus b plus c is pi na. So pi by 2 will be 1. So done it. Just okay, take your time. Done. So what we have now, we have one formula R is equal to del by S, right? Second, R1 is equal to del upon S minus A, R2 again del upon S minus B and R3 del upon S minus C, right? Third formula we have, क्या formula था? tan A by 2, मैंने एक वो भी formula किया था ना? Tan A by 2, tan B by 2.
Tan a by 2 equals R1 by S.
R, in terms of R, what was the formula in terms of R? Last one lecture में जल्दी से check करो तो, what was the formula for tan A by 2? Or you can find that also. Oh, sorry. Just note down, then I'll go.
S minus A upon R.
tan a by 2 is r upon s minus a, na? R upon s minus a, and similarly for b and c. But similarly for b and c, और आज हम लोगों ने एक like r1 के लिए we have proved that, right? r1 is equal to s tan a by 2. That was different, ना? Fifth, एक डेल का फॉर्मूला है, एक ये फॉर्मूला, एंड आर का फॉर्मूला जो हमने लीनियर फॉर्म में यहां लिखा है, ये वाले एक फॉर्मूला. इतने फॉर्मूलाज हैं दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर, राइट? कितने फॉर्मूलाज हैं दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर. एंड इसके साथ में एक फॉर्मूला मैंने यूज किया था, अगर याद हो,
तो थर्ड और फोर्थ को इक्वेट करेंगे तो R1 निकल जाएगा.
राइट? कैपिटल आर इज इक्वल टू ए बी सी बाई 4 डेल, ये भी याद है ना? Okay. Now, can we start with some questions on this? These are the formula. एक जगह पर, like you have to write it down for one place, right, where you can use the formulas, right? First, done everyone? Sanjana, done?
Sir, 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done everyone? Okay, good. Now, see, the first on this is just I'm giving you to prove that, right? So always simple question when you have to prove something, right? So first is the very simple one, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 minus 1 by R is equal to 0. This you have to prove. Do it fast. Only just we have to, like in these questions, only we have to develop the skill where I have to use what formulas, because number of formulas are like it's 3, 4, 7, 8 formulas are there, and we have to solve the question what formula I have to use in which one. That's the important part, and that we will develop here, right? Take your time. One by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 minus 1 by R is equal to 0. Only this you have to, right? Do it fast. कुछ हेल्प करूं, कुछ हिंट दूं, और इज दिस ओके?
ओके
सर
सर.
ये थोड़ा familiar दिख ही रहा है वैसे भी.
Based on this 9-point circle, paddle triangle, orthic triangle, बहुत सारे different
Sir,
varieties
done.
आएंगे, right? Orthic triangle, paddle triangles, right? Many more triangles will come from this. Very good part. This is very good, beta. बहुत अच्छे. Very good, Sanjana. Very good. Very good. What is the value of a plus b plus c? Sanjana, what is the value of a plus b plus c angle in a
Sir,
triangle?
so it's pi.
Pi.
So cos
हाँ.
cos pi by 2 will give 0.
So what is the value of cos pi by 2? Cos 90. So that you have to prove now. Okay. Very good. See. But what I'm saying, done everyone? एक attempt हो गया सभी का? तने done? कात्यायनी done बेटा?
Yes.
क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करना चाह रही है?
सर कुछ ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से नहीं किया. नॉर्मल
मैं
आप
बताऊं, जब भी रेसिप्रोकल में रहे ना, व्हेन यू विल गेट एनीथिंग इन रेसिप्रोकल,
हाँ
यूज डेल अपॉन एस माइनस वाला फॉर्मूला.
इसमें सर मैंने वही यूज किया है पर मतलब उतना अच्छा मेथड नहीं है
अभी देखता हूँ. व्हाट वाज द फॉर्मूला फॉर 1/r1?
एस माइनस ए बाय डेल
S minus a by del, S minus b by del, S minus c by del, minus S by del. Which something like this?
यस
Or I have to prove this. I can say this is equal to this one. No? So this is S minus a, S minus b, S minus c. So del is the LCM of this, right? And this is 3s minus a plus b plus c, that is 2s. So 3s minus 2s is s by del, s by del. Answer is coming. नहीं? हाँ?
यस
Direct ना? Second, r1 upon r2 r3 is equal to tan square a by 2. That we have proved. Very good, Utkarsh. सही था बेटा. समाधान part. Okay. Very good. Very good part. Very good. Aryan.
सर हो गया.
Good, good, good. Yes. Very good, Tanmay. बहुत बहुत प्यारा प्रूफ किया तुमने. वेरी गुड. रिसीव डन.
So 1 minute.
सर डन.
वेरी गुड. कहता है नहीं देखना, दिस टाइम इट्स नॉट ऑन द रेसिप्रोकल. यू कैन गो बाय दैट, बट ध्यान से ना. बट यू हैव ऑलमोस्ट द फॉर्मूला फॉर tan a by 2. Zeal. Done. Okay. Let's try. May I start?
So done.
Very good. तो हेल्प करोगे मेरे को? What we can do from this? R को R रहने दो. And what is this R1?
R is equal to delta by S.
R को भी लिखो या R को रहने दो?
सर R को सब्स्टिट्यूट करके हम मिल जाएगा.
और R1 को कर दूं तब डेल अपॉन क्या आ जाएगा?
Del upon S minus C.
And R2 is del upon
S minus B and R3 is del upon
del
S
upon
minus C.
S minus C. Right.
Sir, R is del upon S, so del will get cut.
Del cut.
सर
and
और एक डेल कट होगा क्योंकि आर का वो डेल बाय एस है ना।
ये लिखा मैंने उसे रहने देता हूँ, अगर मैं अज्यूम करूँ तो ठीक है, चलो मान लेता हूँ डेल अपॉन एस, राइट। तो दिस इज एस माइनस बी एस माइनस सी अपॉन एस एस माइनस ए। दिस इज हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला फॉर tan a by 2। दिस इज हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला फॉर tan a by 2। ये मैं लिखना नहीं चाह रहा था एक्चुअली, मैं इसे लाइक tan a by 2 को डेल अपॉन एस माइनस ए वो यूज करते हुए वर्क करवाना चाहता था,
यस सर।
राइट। डेल अपॉन जो हम लोगों ने देखा था ना फॉर्मूला ना, उस पे मैं वर्क करना चाह रहा था, या R1 पे लेके या R पे लेके, दोनों में भी चल जाता। जैसे R को मैं डेल अपॉन एस लिख देता, R1 को R1 रहने दिया, एंड दिस इज डेल अपॉन एस माइनस बी डेल अपॉन एस माइनस सी, राइट। एंड दिस डेल इज अगेन अंडर रूट ऑफ एस एस माइनस ए एस माइनस बी एस माइनस सी। ये लिखने पर भी लाइक आई कैन विद दैट, बट व्हाटएवर इट इज, ठीक है। Now, we are going little bit ahead on this, right? R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1. You have to find value of this, or मैं दे ही देता हूँ, this will be S square that you have to prove.
सर डन।
Very good. Very good, Parth. Very good, Latani. Very good, Sanjana. Very good, everyone. Done, everyone? What formula you all are using in this?
Delta by S minus A, delta by S minus B, and delta by S minus C.
Right, so
And
delta.
we just multiply, then we get it.
Okay, everyone. Right, or you can say R1, R2, R3 common out. This is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And we know that the sum of 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is nothing but 1 by R. So I can say R1, R2, R3 upon R. Now this is very simple. Del upon S minus A, del upon S minus B, del upon S minus C, and del upon S, right? So multiplying this S, this is del, 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 del. Simply you are getting S square, right? I hope you all are, right? So one last on this, right? बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन, बहुत वेरिएशन होते हैं, but for the basic purpose, one last on this, and this is the good one. So everyone ready for that? 1 by r square plus 1 by r1 square plus 1 by r2 square plus 1 by r3 square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square by del square. Try this. This is good one, right? This is not simple.
So done. So done.
So done.
So done.
Very good. Yeah.
अरे इजी था.
हाँ?
अरे इजी था.
ये ज्यादा टफ नहीं था.
ज़्यादा टफ नहीं था. हाँ मतलब it's up to you कि like how you are using this. कितने लोगों का हो गया? संजना डन, वेरी गुड. पार्थ वेरी गुड. रिसेव वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. So, Tanmay, very good, very good. चलो, then I'll request all of you. आपने क्या किया? आप लोग बता दो, please. How you are?
सर मैंने R को डेल्टा ए भी लिखा, R1 को डेल्टा अपॉन एस माइनस है और वैसे सॉल्व किया. तो अब नीचे में डेल्टा स्क्वायर आ जाता है.
And सीधा सीधा ऊपर जो हमारे पास सॉल्यूशन के लिए था, तो you all are getting the solution of that. Okay, everyone, right? So बहुत सारे variations हैं, right? लेकिन now see, first question, right? uh, if you all remember, last lecture में हम लोगों ने इस पर बात की थी कि what is the in radius if in the Pythagorean 3 4 5 के लिए, right? Is R, capital R means circumradius, is equals to 5 by 2 R. 5 by 2 R possible. Is capital R is equal to 5 by 2 R is possible or not possible? Possible. So how? If not possible, why?
Sir, small r is in radius, right?
Hmm?
Small r is in radius, right?
Yes.
Sir,
And
I've seen
R is a-
something in the chat.
capital R is something. But how could we say कि it's not possible, right? In any of the chance
2
it
to 2r.
is maximum.
Sir, not maximum. I have studied that it is equal to. So
Always,
5r
always,
is. Sorry, sir.
always,
Yeah, I think yes.
or in Pythagoras.
Sir, I don't remember that.
Draw the figure, draw the figure, right? Draw the figure.
Okay, sir.
Or you can use the formula of what we have done in capital with the relation of capital R and small r.
Okay, sir.
Take your time, everyone.
Sir, can you clarify what is the capital R?
What is?
The capital R.
What is capital R? What we have studied? What is this capital R?
सर मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गया था मतलब कि
X
मुझे पता
in
था
radius.
हाँ या सर
What is capital R?
सर मुझे स्मॉलर आर याद है एक्स एक्स रेडियस
In
अच्छा हाँ छोटा आर इन रेडियस है बड़ा आर एक्स रेडियस है
नहीं रे
फिर
Circum.
अच्छा
सर फुल क्वेश्चन क्या है?
बस यही बताना बेटा is this possible or not? R is
In
equal
any
to 5.
triangle.
हाँ, any triangle. That we have to decide कि any triangle is this possible or not?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, same thing, something in the same.
But that was for Pythagoreans. Or Pythagoreans means only the integral. Sorry, but
सर मतलब
सर
पाइथागोरस
वो वाला
उस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के लिए नहीं हो सकता, बाकी ट्रायंगल का देखना पड़ेगा।
राइट एंगल में भी वो पाइथागोरियन मींस 3 4 5, इसलिए मैंने स्टोरी पूरी सुनाई थी। उसके बाद हिबाकस का नाम मैंने बताया था कि वो इरेशनलिटी के लिए ही हैज गिवन कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा भी हो सकता है पॉसिबल। और जानते हो क्या हुआ था? हिबाकस को दे किल्ड, मार दिया सबने। व्हाई? बिकॉज उसने बोल दिया कि नहीं ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं। ही वाज नॉट फॉलोइंग द रूल ऑफ पाइथागोरियंस। और बहुत बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ये हुआ है। पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे नए थॉट्स को लाना इतना आसान नहीं होता। तो धीरे धीरे लोगों की मेच्योरिटी के साथ यू हैव टू गिव द थॉट। यस उत्कर्ष प्लीज।
सर मैंने डायग्राम बनाया, मैंने इन रेडियस को 2 लिया और सर्कम रेडियस को 5 लिया, फिर नहीं पॉसिबल हो रहा था, तो इसलिए नहीं पॉसिबल है।
क्यों, मतलब ये डायग्राम कहाँ पर बनाया?
नोटबुक।
नोटबुक में? तो कैसे पता चलेगा बताओ? पॉसिबल हो सकता है कहीं कुछ और कहीं से निकल के आ रहा हो, नहीं?
तो मुझे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल आ गया उसके आगे।
एरिया
सब
ऑफ
ऑनलाइन तो कर सकते हैं, बट अभी टाइम लगेगा उसके लिए।
ये गलत बात, ऑनलाइन नहीं जाना है। हाँ ये तो कैसे जियोजेब्रा में जाएगा? ऐसा पॉसिबल होगा? क्या लगता है?
सो उसमें भी टाइम
सर
लगेगा।
सर
हाँ
अच्छा आइडिया दिया।
अच्छा, ये देखो कितना ये गूगल वाले क्या तन्मय कुछ
तो
बोल
हमें
रहा
लोकस वगैरह निकालना पड़ेगा।
था? हाँ हाँ।
जियोजेब्रा में कुछ लोकस वगैरह निकालना।
आर की वैल्यू क्या थी मेरे पास? 4r साइन a/2 साइन b/2 साइन c/2, right? This r I want to say 5 2/5r is equals to 4r sin a/2 sin b/2 sin c/2। r cancel
फिर
out।
मैं ट्राई कर रहा था।
2 2 1/10 times of sin a/2 sin b/2 sin c/2। Is this possible or not possible for any triangle? What we feel?
सर वो पॉसिबल है।
What is the maximum value of sin a/2 sin b/2 sin c/2? Anyone can like tell me out कि like how you'll find this in triangle, right? ये भी अच्छी बात है कि we have to prove this for triangle. What is the maximum value of sin a/2 sin b?
1/8
1/8. Not bad. How you are getting this?
सर sin 60 sin 60 sin 60
Why we are taking only 60 60 60?
सर इक्वलैटरल में सबसे ज्यादा रहता है साइन।
क्यों सबसे ज्यादा रहता है इक्विलेटरल में?
सर बिकॉज सारे एंगल्स इक्वल है, और अगर हम लोग अगर कोई और ट्राइंगल ले लेंगे तो थोड़ा सा वैल्यू अगर ज्यादा बड़ा होगा या कोई और वैल्यू ज्यादा छोटा होगा तो उसमें से।
इस बात को प्रूव कैसे करें?
सर मैं हर बार इक्वल लेता हूँ तो सारे सबसे बड़ा इक्वल रहता है, तो सबसे बड़ा जो होता है उसमें सबसे कम वैल्यू आता है वो लाइक हर बार यूज किया हूँ। लेकिन
मैथमेटिक्स मैथमेटिक्स, ये आपने इंडक्शन मेथड लगा दिया कि सर हर बार ऐसा हुआ तो इस बार भी होगा। नहीं, मैं कहीं पर डिस्प्रूव भी कर दूंगा आपकी बात को, 100% डिस्प्रूव हो जाएगा। प्रूव और डिस्प्रूव दोनों हो सकते हैं। राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में क्या आया था 3 4 5 में? हैव यू सीन दैट
20 37 53 यस सर।
एंगल्स?
यस
आओ थोड़ा सा मेहनत करते हैं. ये छोटा दिख रहा है, इसे 3, let this is 4, this is 5. What was R in this case?
1.
Very good. What was capital R in this case? Midpoint of hypotenuse.
और
2.5.
Midpoint of hypotenuse ना,
yes sir.
right? यही था मेरे पास. And what we have to prove? R is equals to anytime I'm getting this or not. हाँ?
सर मेरा सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में यही निकला था, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा
We have
टाइम के लिए
already
रुका
done
था.
that.
यस सर, पहले क्वेश्चन का गलती इसका आंसर था.
नहीं,
सर सच
the
में
capital R means the midpoint of hypotenuse only, na? So these three lengths will be equal, na? In the right angle triangle, right? This is the circle, na? And this circle means touching, going through all the three sides. The center will be this only, na? This is 90 degrees. So this is the diameter. So anyhow, this could be the center of this. And the center is midpoint of hypotenuse, so that will be 5/2. So this length is 5/2, this length is 5/2, this length is 5/2. And we know that the in circle in this case will be 1. So yes, we are getting from this only, right? And from this also we can prove, because this length is minimum. What is the minimum length of this? Maximum and minimum. 1/10 must be coming around minimum and maximum. So Aryan, what you are saying, 1/8 is the minimum one or the maximum one?
सर 1/8 should be maximum one, right? Wait, नहीं मिनिमम होगा.
अरे एक बात मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम.
सर मैंने अभी देखा था साइन 90 45 45 में ज्यादा होता है.
ये जेंसन इनइक्वलिटी होती है बेटा. दिस इज कमिंग थ्रू जेंसन इनइक्वलिटी. मैं थोड़ा सा एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दूं आप लोग को जेंसन.
यस सर.
ओके एवरीवन, तो दिस इज ओके ना? दिस इज ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
Now, so what is this Jensen inequality? Right, see, for sine only, I'm just proving for a triangle ABC, right? This is the graph of sine between 0 to pi, right? I'm saying, or between 0 to pi/2, right? It depends, like half of the angle I'm taking. So each and every point must be lying between 0 to pi/2. I'm drawing the graph y is equal to sine x, right? And in this sine x, I'm saying that the first point is a comma sine a, second point is b comma sine b, third point is c comma sine c. Is this okay? Suppose just I'm drawing a triangle with all ABC, right? If I'm drawing a triangle, we know that centroid of this triangle always lies inside the triangle. Centroid of anything always lies inside the body only, right? So this centroid will be a plus b plus c by 3 and sine a plus sine b plus sine c by 3. Is this okay? Now, you can see this is x, means this point, and for the graph, this sine x, the y will be coming on this. बोल सकता हूँ यहाँ पर y आ रहा होगा इसका. And what is y in this case? If x is this, y will be sine of a plus b plus c by 3. And this value, this y, is obviously greater than this y. Is this okay, everyone? And a plus b plus c in this case will be pi. So I can say sine pi by 3. In your case, the above case, we have to take a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. But this is the generalized one. Greater than sine of a plus b plus c by 3. And pi by 3 is, so this sine a plus sine b plus sine c is less than 3 root 3 by 2, right? But we know that if I have to divide this by 3, both sides, so this is always greater than, right? This value is also, we can say this is sine A, sine B, sine C to the power 1 by 3. You know this? AM greater than equal to GM, right? So this is called Jensen inequality. This is called AMG, right? So the Jensen inequalities for concavity, the concave is going something like this. Then I can say function of x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn by n is always greater than or equal to summation of xi by n. This is concave upward. Same case, when the graph will be concave downward, this inequality sign will alter. Right? This is the Jensen inequality. Very useful inequality. जब क्वेश्चन में आता है बड़े प्यार से आता है. Right? Please note down. If not understanding, कहीं confusion है, you can discuss. Symmetric form के inequalities को solve करने के लिए very effective method. Inverse function के लिए very effective method. Trigonometrical function के लिए very effective method. Everyone. We were doing the complex number, right? Last time. पहले थोड़े से एक दो क्वेश्चन और हैं ये वाले जो ज्योमेट्री यहाँ पर चल रहे हैं, right? So that we have to do, then we'll go for that. What if, okay, done with this, Jensen? Right? For tan, the inequality sign will change. For tan x1, tan A plus tan B plus tan C, the inequality sign will change. Why?
Function change.
You know the graph of tan? Huh?
सर tan का पहले
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा होता है, फिर 89 में बहुत ज्यादा होता है, फिर 90 में पता नहीं क्या होता है.
The concavity, we have to talk about the concavity. You know what is this concavity? जो concavity मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसका क्या मतलब है? Concave and convex mirror जो होते हैं ना, this is the graph of tan between 0 to pi by 2. When you will take 3 values or 2 values or n values, you can see the centroid is coming above the triangle. But in sine, you can see the centroid is coming below the curve. ठीक है ना? So the difference is where the centroid is lying, right? And it's not for only for triangle. I'm saying for n points, you can just go for that, for n points, right? So you have to see the concavity upward and downward. Two things we have to use, right? Upward concavity means this graph and downward concavity means this graph, right? Okay, everyone? See, R is equal to 2R. What we can say about the triangle? R is equal to 2R. The circumradius And in radius, the relation is given as r is equal to 2r. So how we can predict something on the triangle? Take your time. Very good. Can you explain, Katani, this one?
Sir, I haven't tried, but once when I told you that it was there, I studied it like long back, and now I remember. So I haven't proved it yet.
Try to prove
So
this.
can you repeat the question?
If capital R is equal to, this is given, right? For what triangle you'll get this one? Capital R is equal to 2 into small r. As a mathematician, now always you have to prove by your own hand. Then you'll remember, like for last, you'll remember and you'll understand, okay, how we can. May I? May I? मैं start करूं क्या?
So 2 minutes.
Okay.
Just send something.
Very good. Can you explain this? Why?
So just use R, small r equals 4 into capital R into sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 into sin C by 2.
Mm-hmm. Just we have talked about this. Now, थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो, so just you'll get this. Not getting it curves.
I don't think so it is possible.
Is this possible? Why?
Sir, because I'm getting 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 is equal to R by 2 as per the condition.
Mm-hmm.
So sir, after that I get sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by T is equal to 1 by 8.
Okay. So
I'm not getting the possible values for
you are
that.
saying ki, you are getting sine A by 2 into sine B by 2 into sine C by 2 is equal to 1 by 8, right?
A equals B equals C equals 60.
Directly na. Huh? This Jensen one, and then applied this, na? This AMGM, matlab GM AM and Jensen. That's it.
Got it.
Huh? यही वाले हो गए ना? This is nothing but this is like I'm getting sine A by 2 sine by root 3 by 2 and so on 1 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 3, and if I'm getting the value sine A by 2, right? So I'm saying ki sine A by 2 into sine B by 2 into sine C by 2 to the power 1 by 3 is always less than equal to sine A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 upon 3. I'm not writing the AM part, I'm writing the Jensen part. Getting now? So this is A plus B plus C is what? Right? This upon 3. So what is this part? Right? This I'm writing as the Jensen one. So this is sine of A plus B plus C 180 by 2 into 3. 30. Right? This is 1 by 2. Cubing both sides. This is always less than equal to 1 by 8. Less than equal to 1 by 8 means equality sign hold for, right? Equality AM equal to GM and Jensen को भी अगर ध्यान से देखो, इसी में देख लो अगर, तो when the inequality sign hold, when all the values are at same point, all the values are at same point means, right? A is equal to B is equal to C. Or for triangle, any triangle A is equal to B is equal to C means equilateral triangle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
और एक्सप्लेन करूं या ठीक है बेटा?
सर नहीं ठीक है.
Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Right? So, like, we have lot many things, right? And धीरे धीरे धीरे